Hello, my name is Anthony Ramage. I'm a sales consultant here at Cain Toyota. Today I'm going to show you guys how to connect your phone or pair it with Bluetooth. So whether you have an Android or an iPhone, you can find your settings button. You'll either go to connections or you'll find a Bluetooth setting there. Touch this button here and you'll select your phone when you see it. You'll just hit pair. Then it's going to request some access to your contacts. It's always best to allow. And as you can see, we're all connected. Now you can also do several different things here. We can go into your menu, select your audio source, switch it over to Bluetooth. So now you can listen to any music files that you might have saved on your phone. And once you go back home, you can also press and hold and select 4 favorite contacts. That'll work a lot like a speed dial. And that's how you connect your phone or pair it with Bluetooth. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to stop in anytime. We're always happy to help.